Hey there, fellow content creators. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's revolutionizing the way we create content on YouTube, artificial intelligence, or AI. If you're aiming to boost your YouTube income, you've got to listen up because AI might just be your new best friend. First off, let's talk about AI-driven video editing software. Editing can eat up hours, right? But with AI tools, you're looking at slashing that time significantly. These tools can automatically cut out silences, balance sound levels, and even suggest the best cuts. More videos, less editing time equals more income potential. Now, on to script writing. Ever hit a creative block? Well, AI is here to help. AI script writing tools can generate video outlines, create engaging scripts, and even suggest SEO-friendly titles and descriptions. This means not only faster content creation, but also content that's optimized to perform well on YouTube. But that's not all. AI can handle the grunt work of keyword research and SEO optimization. It analyzes trends and predicts what your target audience might be looking for next. This means you can create content that's more likely to be discovered, watched, and monetized. Here's a game-changer: personalized content. AI can analyze your viewers' behavior and help tailor your content to meet their preferences. This increases viewer satisfaction and, you guessed it, potentially, your ad revenue and sponsorships. Now let's talk about generating thumbnails. The first thing viewers notice. AI tools can now generate eye-catching thumbnails that boost your click-through rates. No more grappling with graphic design, let AI handle it and watch your views soar. But like with all great tools, there's a catch. Depend too heavily on AI, and you might lose that personal touch that makes your content uniquely yours. My advice: use AI as a co-pilot, not as the captain. Let it enhance your creativity, not replace it. So, are you ready to let AI take your YouTube income to new heights? Start small, experiment with different tools, and see how AI can best serve your channel's needs. Remember, the goal is to use technology to enhance your skills and content, not overshadow them. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on ways to enhance your content creation game. Catch you in the next video.